Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel name step by step. So, if you're ready to give your channel a fresh new look, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your YouTube account. Open up your web browser and go to the official YouTube website. Make sure you're logged in with the account whose channel name you want to change. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select YouTube Studio from the options. Step 3. In YouTube Studio, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Customization. Step 4. Under the Customization tab, you'll see a few options. Look for Basic Info and click on it. Step 5. Once you're in the Basic Info section, you'll see your current channel name. To change it, simply click on the text box and start to edit. Take your time to come up with a catchy and memorable name that represents your content. Step 6. After you've entered your new channel name, click on the Publish button to apply the changes. Please note that you can change your channel name twice within 14 days. And there you have it. Your YouTube channel name has been successfully changed. Congratulations! Well, that wraps up our tutorial on how to change your YouTube channel name. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Remember, changing your channel name can give your brand a fresh start and attract new viewers. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find a name that truly represents you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and helpful content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.